Have you ever wanted to explore any place in the world without leaving your home? In this video, I will show you how to use Google Maps on your PC to see real locations, satellite images, and live street views step by step. Let's start. My Google Maps interface opened. On the left side, there is a search bar. Here, I typed United States and pressed enter. The map instantly moved and showed the full map of the United States. Next, I zoomed in on the map to see the area more clearly. You can zoom in or zoom out using your mouse scroll wheel or the plus and minus buttons on the screen. Now, at the bottom left corner, I clicked on the layers option. From here, I selected satellite view. As soon as satellite view is enabled, the map changes into real satellite images. You can now see actual roads, buildings, and land from real images. Now, let's explore a place in real life using Street View. On the bottom right corner, you can see the yellow person icon, also called Pegman. I clicked and held the Pegman icon and dropped it on a road on the map. Instantly, Google Maps opened Street View for that location. Street View shows real 360-degree images captured by Google cameras. You can move forward by clicking on the arrows on the road. You can rotate the view by dragging your mouse in any direction. This makes you feel like you are actually standing and moving in that place. Using Street View, you can explore any city or street in the world without traveling. You can share any place or even your own location with anyone. Just click on the share button at the top, copy the link, and send it to anyone you want. This feature is very helpful for travel planning, location checking, and learning about new places. That's it. This is how you can use Google Maps on your PC to search locations, switch to satellite view, and explore places in real life. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below for more easy tech guides.